Good morning, students. How are you all? My name is Vinu Taneja. I'm your English teacher. As you all know, today I'm here to teach you English to continue our Unit 3, that is the Animal Kingdom. What is the Animal Kingdom? The topic is the sky is falling. Means sky. Do you know sky? Asman गिर रहा है. Right. It means what was the story? Have you remember? Okay. Just review the story. One day a chicken licken. Chicken licken means a chicken walks on the forest. Where he was going? He walks on the forest. And a corn. What? An acorn. A-C-O-R-N. An acorn falls on the head. What happened? He saw here and there. Nothing was there. He just thought, oh, he's scared. The sky is falling. He was running. He runs here and there. On the way, he met Henny Penny, a hen. Hen, the sky is falling. Henny said, why? What you are saying? The sky is falling? How do you know? Yes. Though Chicken Licken said, what Chicken Licken said? Some of it fell on my head. Then he also scared. He also joined him. And both of them running. They both rush to the king. On the way, they meet Ducky Lucky. Ducky Lucky, the duck. On the way, he meet Ducky Lucky. Where are both of you going? He said, Ducky Lucky said, where you both of are going? Oh, you don't know. The sky is falling. Oh my God, the sky is falling? How do you know? Then Chicken Licken said, some of it fell on his head. Fell on my head. Oh, this we have to tell to the king. So, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky, three are going to the king. On the way, he met the Ducky Lucky. Ducky Lucky, the duck. I'm coming too. Ducky Lucky said, I'm also coming to you. Where are you going to? On the way, he met Foxy Loxy. Foxy Loxy, the fox. Where are you running to? The sky is falling. We want to tell this to the king. What he was said? Yes. Fox was very surprised. The sky was falling. Just think on his mind. He said, okay, the sky is falling. How the sky is falling? He just think, today I shall have a yummy lunch. Why? Why the yummy lunch? He take them. Who? Chicken Licken, Henny Penny and Ducky Lucky. Three of them, he take them to his den. After that, what happened? Tell me what happened. The Foxy Loxy eaten them. So what was the story it was? It means we never believe everybody. We believe to the mother, to your father, but not for everybody. Is it clear to all? Yes. So tell me the question. What falls on the chicken licken hat? Any answer? Any guesses? Yes. An acorn. An acorn falls on chicken licken hat. My next question is, where does Foxy Loxy take the animal? Any guesses? No. Okay. The Foxy Loxy take the animals to his den. Is it clear to all? Yes. I hope you understand the story and enjoy a lot. So, to continue the story, I will tell you the rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Each second name ends in the same sound. Each second name ends in the same sound as the first name. Words that end with the same sound are called rhyming word. Is it clear? Like mat, hat, cat, at. Is it clear? So, to continue the topic, ducky. The rhyming word of ducky is lucky. L-U-C-K-Y. Ducky, lucky. D-U-C-K-Y. Ducky. L-U-C-K-Y. Lucky. Repeat with me. D-U-C-K-Y. Ducky. L-U-C-K-Y. Lucky. Is it clear? So the next is henny. It's H-E-N-N-Y. Henny. What's the rhyming word of this? Yes, henny, penny. The spelling is P-E-N-N-Y. Henny, penny. See, the same sound is there now? Yes. Foxy. F-O-X-Y. Foxy. What's the rhyming word of this? Yes. Foxy, Loxy. So, there are some more rhyming words that you have to do. Henny. H-E-N-N-Y. Henny. Any guesses? Henny. Right. Penny. It's P-E-N-N-Y. Henny. Penny. Next is Lucy. L-O-O-S-E-Y. Lucy. Any guesses? Yes. Lucy. Pussy. P-O-O-S-E-Y. I hope you all understand the rhyming words. There are some more rhyming words that you can continue, like jam. What's the rhyming word of jam? It's yam, ham, and pram. My next word is can. What's the rhyming word of can? It's fan, right? Fan, pan, and man. My next word is rag. Rag means, what's the rhyming word of rag? Yes, it's tag, bag, and flag. Very good. You are very good, children. So, in English, to continue the unit 3, the animal kingdom. Today, I will teach you an interesting poem. Are you very excited, children? Very good. So let's start the poem. The title is This Little Chick. This little chick. Chick, do you know? Yes, the baby of hen. The baby of hen called chick. Before going to start the poem, I would like to tell you some meanings of the words which help you out to understand the poem. Are you all ready? Very good. My first word is stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Stand means like I am standing. Is it clear? I am standing. The first word is stand. Is it clear? My next word is hay stag. Haystack. Hay stack. What it means? Means stack of hay. Hay, do you know? Okay. झाड़ियों का झुंड. That we call hay stack. Once again, repeat with me. Hay. Hay. S-T-A-C-K. Means hay stack. Is it clear? Okay, very good. My next word is claws. C-L-A-W-S. C-L-A-W-S. Repeat with me. C-L-A-W-S. What we call? It says claws. Have you ever seen the hen or chicken? Have you seen the foot of the chicken? Yes, that is called claws. Means panje. My next word is farm. Is it F-A-R-M? F-A-R-M. It's called farm. Farm means where the chick and the hen live. Where you all live? You all live at your home. Is it clear? So what we call where the chick live? We call farm. Now is it clear to you all? Very good. My next word is stay away. It's S-T-A-Y. Stay. S-T-A-Y. Stay away. A-W-A-Y. Stay away. Stay away means दूर चले जाना. Stay away means दूर चले जाना. Is it clear? Very good. My next word is harm. H-A-R-M. Harm means hurt. Hurt means किसी को भी नुकसान पहुंचना. Is it clear to you all? Very good. So, let's begin the poem. So, are you all ready to start the poem? Okay, let's start the poem. This, T-H-I-S, this, L-I-T-T-L-E, little chick. See, the picture is there. There is a hen and 1, 2, 3. One black chick, yeah, 2 black chick and 1 white chick is there. So let's start the poem. This little chick is black. This little chick is black. Repeat with me. This little chick is black. She stands on a big hashtag. Hashtag, it's clear now? Very good. This little chick is black. She stands. Where she stand? She stands on big hashtag. Black chick कहाँ बैठी है? कहाँ खड़ी है? Yes, she is standing on the big hashtag. यानी कि झाड़ियों के झुंड के ऊपर खड़ी है. Next is, this little chick is white. This little chick is white. See, one white chick also there. Is it clear? Yes. Repeat with me. This little chick is white. She cannot fly a kite. She cannot fly a kite. Anyone can fly a kite? Yes, I love to fly a kite. So, once again, repeat with me. This little chick is black. This little chick is black. She stands on a big haystack. She stands on a big haystack. This little chick is white. This little chick is white. She cannot fly a kite. She cannot fly a kite. Next is, this little chick is green. This little chick is green. Which color it is? Yes, it is green. She always keeps her claws. Claws you all knows? पंजे. पंजे को कैसे रखती है वो? Clean रखती है. Is it clear? She always means हमेशा. We should also clean our body also. We should wash up your hands twice a day, brush our teeth twice a day, even wash our hands many times. We should bath daily. Is it clear? This little chick is green. She always keeps her claws clean. Very good. Next is, this little chick is blue. Which color it is? It is blue. This little chick is blue. She lays eggs for me and you. Anyone guesses who lays the egg? Yes, hen lays the egg. So, this little chick is blue. She lays eggs for me and you. So, have you seen there are so many colorful chicks are there. There are black chick, there are white chick, this green chick and this blue chick also there. And oh my God, pink chick is also there. This little chick is pink. This little chick is pink. She goes to the pond for drink. She goes to the pond for drink. So, we all drink water daily? Yes, we should drink water 8 to 10 glasses a day. Is it clear? How many glasses we should have to drink daily? Yes, we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. All of these chicks live at the farm. Farm means house of the hen or chick. All of these chicks live at the farm to stay away from every harm. To stay away from every harm. Once again, repeat the poem. This little chick is pink. This little chick is pink. She goes to the pond for drink. Yes, she goes to the pond for drink. Very good. All of these chicks live at the farm. Where the? Yes, farm. Where they all live? all of these chicks live at the farm to stay away from every harm. Where we all live? We all live at our home. Why we live at our home? To stay away from harm. Yes, house is our shelter to protect us. Is it clear? So, where the hens live? Hens live at their farm to away from every harm. To continue the poem, I would like to revise rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words means same sound. The next word, same sound. Black. With the poem, you have to do this. Black has tag. Black has tag. Green. 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 Clean. Listen, it's the same sound is there, no? Yes, very good. Green. Clean. Next is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Any guesses? No? Yes, very good. Drink. Pink. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Very good. F-A-R-M. Farm. F-A-R-M. Farm. What's the rhyming word of farm? Yes, it's harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. Just revise the rhyming word once again. Black. Hashtag. Black. Hashtag. Repeat with me. Black. Hashtag. Next is green. Green. Clean. Green. Clean. Next is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink. Drink. Pink. Drink. Next is farm. F-A-R-M. Farm. Farm. Harm. Farm. Harm. Very good. So, can I ask few questions for you? Are you all ready? Okay. So, tell me, this little chick is black. Who will tell me? Very good. She stands on a big hashtag. This little chick is black. She stands on a big hashtag. Next is, this little chick is green. She always keeps her claws clean. She always keeps her claws clean. I hope you all enjoyed the poem. So what you have to do is, you have to learn the poem 1 time, 2 times, 3 times or many times. So it's all clear to you all? Very good. Thank you.